Hey guys, so up to number 9. Now, one thing I haven't been explaining, so for this I'm going to be drawing the outside edge and then extruding it, but having a look, you can see the different edges that I'm actually choosing to draw are the ones that have the most details on them. So if I was trying to draw, say, this T up here, right, number 4, I chose to do the front face of that, alright, in that T shape. If I tried to go from the top, it'd be impossible to do because I can't extrude or that easily from that angle. Same with these L's over here. So number 1, if I tried to draw that from this top angle, it wouldn't work. I'd have to extrude the whole thing and then try cutting out that rectangle afterwards. If I do it from the front face, I can draw that L shape and then extrude it. So it's the same thing with number 9. Alright, which face should I draw? So you can see the front face, I couldn't do that one. Side face is basically just a rectangle, so it's going to have to be the top face here that gives me the most information, and it's just going to let me extrude it through as that shape there, that U shape. So now moving over to Inventor, so we're going to do I've clicked off the yellow square there, that's not good, so you always got to make sure you see that. So it'll make the yellow, see it goes green, so I knew that I hadn't clicked it because it was still yellow. If it goes green, then I can click. So I'm going to do the base of that U shape, so I'm going to go 30 millimeters. Alright, it's going to be a standing up U, so zooming in. And then just like before, we can go straight up. We're going to go straight up 50 millimeters. And then, so you can see again, we're not actually on the page. So if I want to zoom out to make sure I can see the entire bit of my work, just clicking on that square again. Sorry. And then going across 10. And then we're going down 20. Always making sure you're keeping your, so if I go like that and then type in it, and it's going to put it on angles. So you need to make sure you're getting your lines nice and straight when you do it. It'll generally say 90 degrees, as you can see there. Going across now 10 millimeters, and then back up. Alright, and seeing it'll just snap to the lines. And so that's nice and easy to do. And as you can see, it's all laid out well. Right click. Okay, so I'm no longer on the line tool. 3D model, extrude. And then we're going to extrude that 20 millimeters, just like on the drawing says. Okay, and then like always, having a double check of how we've done it. Alright, cool. That all looks perfect, just like the drawing of number 9.